hổ nữa.
Cái gì?
Vậy rồi đâu.
Om, bukan Om Iwa, tengku coba ini anak kami buka udah mulai merekam.
Oke.
Ini ya?
Tahun-tahun mereka itu kayak betul kial partas ni English very just hot pojai la horia tas dimanju horio la tango mereka. Horio mi bolas porali la yo meti la triple importante la triple grafas la libro. Mine hafas punta da libro mi lego mi vivo mereka. Set mi triple shatas or legas mereka. Set Yun, mitra siya tas learning la mga limpo, kaila panalimpo, kaila panalimpo kay karami. Kay angko mi sur learning la panalimpo, kaila tukalimpo, kaila rusalimpo kay karami. Set trepe kiyal porali la rusalimpo kay karami. Wow, talking about Vivory food. I myself sometimes when I read food it makes me bored. That's why I always watch movie. Reading music and downloading, but when I got read newspaper or something make me bored. That's why I never remember anything about that. So that's why when somebody asks me what's your favorite food, maybe sometimes my boring is Toronto because even though little by little, I understand about the vocabulary, but not a lot about that vocabulary. That even a little bit like Spanish and then Esperanto and then English a little bit and then it's fine. Any question? I think that's all. Thank you.
Bahasa Aceh itu Esperanto. Untuk Esperanto. Ya, tabayang. How about the other book?
He doesn't read many books because
Dia nggak suka banget.
Matt he bored.
Oh, but I like manga. I like
Manga, like Jambu.
Yes, no.